I'm the best red mage in the free company. Play the Shiva theme from Dissidia. The good one. You know the one. The one that you said, and I quote, is this a black lady singing this? Time is it, time of our lives. Oh my god! Let me back! Let me back! Does this wall kill? Ah! Oh! I'm trying to find paper towel! Into the meteor. No, you can't. No! I know! Oh my god, Rebecca, you're like the worst. Kill her. What the shit was that? Doing the spooky spook. The spooky boot. Spooky boot! Oh my god. I'm surprisingly not lagging. Flashback to 2 hours earlier. I'm fucking lagging. What the shit is happening? I get up on the high back and suddenly everyone's dead! Cherry Jello, save us! I get the feeling that we're gonna need to hide using that rock, aren't we? Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Gracie goes to do the hair flip. She gets World of Lighted. Leaves a sour taste in my mouth. Oh! That's a lot of thing. I summoned my red eyes black Assian in attack mode. Get back, rich boy. I'm armed.
16.
Kermit hands.
Don't you come at me with Kermit hands! No!
He just wants a friend. Oh, you little shit. Your greed cost you everything! Now your sister was a viceroy. Now look at her. She became the moon. You better wait for her, Vince. Ah! I'm underwater! It has many doors, and boy! Oh my god! Oh my god! I told you! Science! Never wrong! Take me, Bahamut! Take me! Alright, boys, let's do this. Remember, science is never wrong!
Please, hit me with those orbs. Hit me harder with those orbs.
Oh, me! Whatever lies beyond this morning! I'm so sorry. No! I love you, and I miss you.
Oh, he's gonna die.
Ow! I hate this, but I love him. But I hate this, but I love him. No, I am tired of this little shit. You die today. You dare cross that gate without me. Right, Steel. Don't, no!
Oh, jeez, just stop.
I'm gonna die! I'm going to die! Big Getty Star was supposed to enable me to do that.
Spaghetti Star.
Me! I do not like that is aimed at me! Ah! Oh no! Get in the bubble! Get in the bubble! Get in the bubble!